Hey guys, Tom Eckers at MarineMax Pensacola. Just want to take a quick moment out of your day, show you this brand new 2021 Harris Solstice 250 that we have. This one has a Mercury 250 horsepower Verado engine off the back. It's got the ski tow bar, going to give you lots of power to pull wakeboarding, water skiing, tubing, whatever you want to do on the water. As you move into the boat, you're going to notice that this is the single lounger with the dual Helm seats. So really comfortable captain seats, both for you, the captain, and for your co-captain, enjoying the summer sun. And I got this nice lounger on the back. If I take this little flip-flop seat here and flip it so that it faces backwards, beautiful viewing sun pad. You can relax back here, enjoy the sun. You can actually ride back here while underway. You can clip those chains and it's perfectly legal for you to be back here. Moving forward into the boat, you're gonna notice Harris's fit and finish, the quality of the boat. On the dash, I'm gonna have a beautiful Simrad display. It's gonna give you all the charting information that you need. I've actually got 7 USB chargers on this boat, so plenty of places for you to plug in. Make sure that your phone stays charged, make sure that you have the music that you want while you're on the water. Harris does a really good job looking at those finer details. Even the vinyl, really nice vinyl upgraded on the Solstice. Moving even further forward into the boat, this is the 250 Solstice, so I got a lot of room in the bow. Lots of seating up here. You're gonna notice that Harris does have that quality finish where they got that boxing in the floor, so you're gonna have water management around that compartment there. Everything in there is gonna stay dry. You're not gonna be worried about anything. If you have any further questions about this boat or any of the other boats that we have in inventory, by all means, reach out to myself. My name is Tom Eckers or any of those sales consultants. As always, we are open at MarineMax.com 24/7.